first one with this, so that we know about what the size is.
2,
Okay.
3.
4.
Janice was very good about it.
Okay.
Kind of like a cookie, about the size of a cookie.
There we go. Okay. We're gonna try and get them all about this size and about this thickness. You want them about it.
And how many do you want to make?
You're gonna end up having 36.
And I'm gonna pull back. I want you to have the resistance on your left. Why? Because you're working your left arm and your left core.
Favorite meal.
It is my favorite.
I love it too. Me too.
It does look wonderful. My favorite. Very good. Me too. Thumbs up.
Oh, right, that's right.
Yes, man. Thumbs up. Can't wait.
Oh, Jill. Oh, really? Everything.
Okay, we didn't do the onion yet.
You didn't do the onion?
Yeah, she did.
Yeah, she
Oh,
did.
give it to me. I didn't see you.
So let's just do an 8 3 times.
Oh,
Make it simple.
Thank you. Thank
So we'll be 3/8 way around the track, which will be 242 yards. And
What'd you say to that?
6/16.
Wow. And if you go backwards.
forget something about the house, I forget something